Our today's topic is Oramet. Oramet, an important medicine in homeopathic medica, not only for different type of pathological condition. Oramet can save life. Oramet can not only save life, ordinary life, it can save strong aspiring life. Oramet, the medicine is prepared from gold, common metal, we all know, and proved and introduced by Hahnemann himself in the year 1818. Before going to the proper text, I do like to share a recent incident to get the perception about Oramet. On 14 June 2020, Rajput, aged 34, was found dead, hanging from ceiling fan of his own home, Bandra, Mumbai. And he had reportedly been suffering from depression for about last 6 months. Why I am telling this story of Rajput whenever I am teaching you about Oramet? Now I am read out some symptoms from our Materia Medica. Mind symptom in hearing, what we are getting in Oramet. He has been sound in his business affairs. He has been a good father. He has been observed by those around him to be intelligent. But he has silently brooded over his state and his hatred of the world. He has told nobody of it. Imagines he cannot succeed in anything and he does everything wrong. He is in disunion with himself. Whenever anyone is committing suicide, the basic fundamental problems in his mental level is taking place. Disunion with himself. Imagines to see obstacles in way of everywhere, occasioned partly by contrary fate, partly by himself, and makes him feel desponding. An extreme disposition to be offended. He was extremely affected and provoked by least circumstances, which has the appearance of hurting his feelings. Imagines he cannot succeed in anything. Imagines he cannot succeed in anything. Imagines he is neglectful. Imagines he is neglectful and deserves reproach in consequences. What Hahnemann told in his Materia Medica, chronic disease, Oramet of melancholies, resembling that caused by gold. I have since cured quickly and permanently several persons who were seriously entertaining suicidal intentions and indeed by small doses. What Hahnemann told? He had cured quickly and permanently several persons who were seriously entertaining suicidal intentions. So the Oramet patients, they are entertaining themselves with suicidal thoughts. Oramet patient, the mind and disposition is a very important features for prescribing point. At the same time, if we consider the therapeutic value of the mind and disposition of Oramet, we can prevent many aspiring boys or girls who are like to commit suicide. We can prevent that life. Then cause of the phenomena, what is happening in Oramet? First thing, extreme disposition to be offended. Oramet patient has having typical disposition to be offended easily from slightest cause, from slightest provocation. They are having innate disposition, innate bad attributes to be offended. He was extremely affected and procured by least circumstances, which has the appearance of hurting his feelings. No way he or she bears the feelings of hurting, becomes angry, even they becomes angry at persons while thinking of them. They are having so disposition to be offended, they becomes angry at absence of person while thinking of that person. Elements from grief, elements from disappointed love, from fright, from anger, from contradiction, from mortification, vexation, with dread, fear, reserve, displeasure, and vehemence. Now, what are the causes in mental cause? In mental sphere, first is grief. Second is disappointment of love. Third is from fright, anger, contradiction, any type of contradiction, it may be slightest or having any deep root. Mortification, vexation, with reserved displeasure. They are not bursting their feelings, not expressing their feelings, wherever getting mental trauma from grief, from disappointed love, from contradiction, from mortification. Apart from that, anyway, being wounded ambition of success. And being wounded, he entertained suicidal thoughts and ultimately, unfortunately, committed suicide. Apart from that, abuse of mercury, syphilitic chancre treated by any ointment, all are the thing for causation in Aurum patient. Most of the homeopathic materia medica, they are elaborating in detail about the negative aspects of Aurum patients, especially the depression, the suicidal thoughts, the gloomy things, everything. But before that, Aurum patient is passing a stage in his life. That part is not to be ignored anyway. If we ignore that part of that life, our Aurum patient, we will not come in conclusion in advance to prescribe Aurum to prevent suicide. If anyone committing suicide, hardly we are helping them. But if before suicide, what is the mental phenomena is going out in Aurum patient, if we do know the thing, in that stage, if we prescribe Aurum in proper potency and dose, we can prevent the tendency for suicide. We can prevent the thoughts and entertainments in relation and broods over about suicide, suicidal thoughts. What is the aspiring mood? Before the depression, Aurum patient is very hurried, desire for bodily and mental activity. Mental and bodily activity they are doing very hurriedly for strong aspiration. Bears overburden in personal life in relation to ambition and success. He does not care anything what is happening with his life. Whenever he is building his career, he is ignoring all surroundings. Having a simple focus, single focus, he is running away. In Aurum patient, whenever they are developing his life, whenever building his career, he bears all overburden in personal life to succeed in life. Aspiration of perform task beyond capacity. That is the main thing. He is doing anything and everything, sacrificing all to perform the task what he had keep in mind to make success in life. So they are having aspiration to perform task beyond his capacity. Then high degree of uncompromising tenacity to achieve goal. The very important. Whenever any boy or young girl or boys doing very hardship for his success, high degree of uncompromising tenacity to achieve goal, it is good. If he perform it with confidence and till the end of his success, it is very good. But anyone who is like to achieve the goal but not having the mental mind and disposition, having not the capacity to combat the highest point of achieving goal, before that what is happening in his mind, in that case they become depressed. In mental level, another good thing we are getting in Auramet, though the patient Auramet medicine belongs to syphilitic group of medicine, but they are very moralistic, they are very particular, and as they are particular, they are having strong aspiration for success in life. Then after aspiration has got trauma and being wounded aspiration, what happens? The affection is preeminently deranged and the intellectual sphere is only secondarily changed. What happened in mental state of Auramet? Aspiration is going on, he is doing everything, sacrificing all those things for success. Suddenly, due to abnormal mental disposition, deranged mental disposition, they are having some trouble in affection level. Of course, degenerative mental state runs through the remedy, but that begins in the will level and proceeds ultimately to the intellect. It is first observed as perversion of the affection. What is perversion? The affection. Natural to every healthy man are perverted if they are Auramet. So great in extent is this, that one of the fundamental is love, which is love of living, love for self, love of self-protection. It is the basic instinct of every human life. Everyone loves most and best himself. So which is the love of living, love of self-protection is perverted in Auramet and develops loathing of life, weary of life, and longs to die and seeks methods to commit suicide. What Hahnemann wrote in his Materia Medica, in chronic disease, he entertains himself with different types of suicidal thoughts. Then if we take the manifestation level in Auramet patient, what we are getting in depression, strong depression level, there is an absolute loss of enjoyment in everything. Absolute loss of enjoyment. Despite of getting all influences of enjoyment, they are not enjoying it. Absolute loss of enjoyment. Self-condemnation. Not getting joy from any outward, and self-condemnation. Continual self-reproach. Self-criticism. A constant looking into self-retrospection from a negative perspective. Retrospection is good for every human being, but it should be with positive perspective. Whatever wrong we did, getting those experience, getting those memory, we should overcome in future. That retrospection is good. But in case of Auramet, they are having retrospection, looking into self with the negative thoughts. He feels everything is wrong, nothing will succeed, hopeless. He thinks, I have sinned away, day of grace. I am having no grace of God or Almighty. He is not worthy, I am not worthy for salvation. This is the train of thought that constantly runs through his mind. The future looks dark to him. Though he was aspiring, he was very much ambitious. Suddenly when he became depressed, there was no future before him. Looks dark. He wants to die. He feels, I will never succeed. For everything goes around me is wrong. The Aram state of mind almost appears to as similar as an insanity stage. Turbulence in mental plane. Not only turbulence, cyclone in mental state with strong melancholy, with strong depression. Initially, he was very aspiring. Initially, he was very industrious. Suddenly, he became depressed with propensity to commit suicide. Before that, having a strong turbulence and melancholy. Another important thing we should keep in mind for Aram Met patient, whatever turbulence is going in his mind, in his state of mind, he is not supposed to express to anyone, having strong reserved displeasure. The cause of the state of insanity are prolonged anxiety. Not suddenly it happens. Prolonged anxiety, unusual responsibility from any aspect, from career, from property, from money loss, develop this. Now I am telling the mental state I have told. It is beautifully related with some pathological state in physical part. That we should remember. Ladies, female lives, those who are suffering from pathology of uterus, it may be fibroid, it may be malignancy, it may be even prolapse of uterus, they become depressed suddenly. Sudden depression of spirits with a particular pathological state we are getting, and it is being clinically verified by Dr. Herring, and he noted in his book, Female Lives, the things feels depression of spirit with pathology of uterus, looks on dark side, weeps, prays, thinks she is not fit for the world, longs for death, strong inclination to commit suicide. Even we are getting some patients, those who have tried somehow or other being prevented by neighbors or relatives, then once again they are thinking how the next attempt could be attained. Desperate desire to jump from height with pathological uterus. In selected case, even in pregnancy, they are having tendency to commit suicide. In male lives, there are some particular conditions, chronic hepatitis, chronic migraine headache with disposition to commit suicide. Great depression of spirits and accompaniment with sterility. If we search the repertory, we will get a beautiful symptom favoring Aram Met. They are having tendency to commit suicide out of pain. So, the patient, those who are suffering from any type of malignancy, with excruciating pain, unbearable pain, with strong depression, if we prescribe Aram Met in time, we can prevent that suicide also. They have tried to commit suicide to combat the situation. They are not supposed to bear the pain, an unbearable pain of malignancy. And they have thought for committing suicide. In that case also, if we prescribe Aram Met, we can prevent the tendency to commit suicide. So Aram Met is a medicine not only for ordinary mental disposition. Aramet is a medicine if we prescribe in time, in advance, whenever patient is in melancholy, just before that, whenever patient is under overburden, strong aspiration, very much ambitious, but could not cope up the situation, became depressed. In that situation, if we prescribe Aramet correctly, with the cause factor, elements from grief, elements from disappointment, elements from wounded ambition, different cause, what I have told earlier, if we corroborate all things for Aramet patient and prescribe in time, we can prevent the aspiring life, a dynamic life, who can serve the nation, who can serve the world in his old field of activities. It may happen throughout the year we will get 1 or 2 or 3 patients, Aramet patient. But if we prescribe correctly, Aramet is a life-saving drug. Whenever the degeneration starts in mental level, when the degeneration results into perverted will not to live, perverted will, perverted affection not to live, in that case we can prescribe Aramet. Thank you. Later on we will go for